gutigirira bururi wena irio cia kuigana ukoretwo uri umwe wa ituginya cia bururi iria cikirirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta na ni kibaro kimwe kiria kia guthiginia thirikari ihinda-ini riri bururi ukurirwo maitho ni ugwati wa homa ya COVID-19 iria irugamitie na guthararia mihango itiganite. Gukirigu Ministry ya Urimi ni yambiririe kwarira mithingi mirumu thiini wa sekta ya urimi niguo gutigirira ugwati wa homa ya COVID-19 ndukuheng'aragu kanya ga guthamaka.
I would like to take this opportunity to assure Kenyans that the government is putting in place the necessary mechanisms to avert potential food shortages. Collaboratively, the national and county governments are working together to ensure that the agricultural sector continues its operations and that food is available, accessible, affordable and safe for all Kenyan households.
Umwe wa maundu maria magathikitwo ni Ministry ya Urimi ni kunyihia thogora wa indo iria ibataranagia hari mihango ya urimi ta fertilizer iria iri makumbi-ini ma irio nyumu ma NCPB.
The government has also made available fertilizers and other inputs at affordable prices through Kenya National Trading Corporation and NCPB stores across the country. Therefore, farmers are advised to visit these stores and access these inputs and continue with their farming activities and take advantage of the current rains to plant and weed their crops so that they continue with their livelihoods and also support to feed the nation.
Ihinda-ini riu Minister wa Urimi Peter Munya augite mihango ya kurana na ngigiri kuretwo igitharikira migunda miene itiganite ya bururi ni thiete na mbere na kunyita thinga miene iria igumirwo ni ngigi.
We are increasing our activities in terms of containing the locusts, and I would want to announce really we have made a lot of progress in containing the locust menace.
Kenya ni imwe ya mabururi maria makoragwo mehandite wega sekta-ini ya urimi thiini wa gitaro kia Africa na mwihoko wanyitite mi thiini wa sekta ino ni ati ruhonge ruru no ruguthi na mbere na gutuika gicisho gia bururi wa Kenya ona thengia mahinda maritu maria matung'etheire. Wanjiru Meta, Inooro TV.